When your art is just not talking back to you, it's time to rework it. Join me today as we do just that. Now, let's dive in. Welcome to the first rework, where we take something that wasn't quite working and we make it better. I started this project with a chunky 8-inch wood round and got it all primed. And I'm going to use a little bit of this, followed by a little bit of that and a little bit of that. Lastly, I'll add a little bit of this. And we'll mix it all up just like we're baking a cake. This time, we're making an ocean. After that paint was dry, I took some modeling paste. You can find this on Amazon or art supply store. And I just wanted to add some texture to the background. So on this part of the piece, that's what I did. Later, I decided to turn it into a wave. Goodbye ugly and hello much better. And I am much happier with it. And so I'm just taking the modeling paste and fixing the things that I didn't like. And this is the part where I just change everything and turn it into a wave. And if you would, please splash that like button, click the bell, and subscribe. It helps this darn algorithm. Welcome to the fun part, where we get to just add the colors, your favorite colors, to the art and create whatever you want to create and however it looks best to you. Idea is to have fun. Art is supposed to be fun, even if it's for work. And if it's not fun, then you're doing something wrong. Once that layer was dry enough, it was on to the next layer. Lastly, we're ready for some final touches of just some dry brushing, adding a little highlights with the white and some metallics, as you can see. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms. I would love to see you there. As well as visiting my website or my Etsy shop. Here's a great close-up of our finished product. All those nooks and crannies and all the different paints and highlights. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you're inspired to try something new. I invite you to join the Sea Rocker family. Like, share, and subscribe with your salty friends. Thanks for watching. Until next time, go beach or go home.